Mikoronan niya Keisha Francine Mangiliman ang representante na ng Barangay Dolores, antimong Miss Magalang 2024. Menikwaya namang special award si Mangiliman, kalupa na ng Best Designer at Fan Choice Award.
Best Designer is from Barangay Dolores! We derive the winner of our Fans' Choice Award. And she is Miss Dolores Keisha Francine Mangiliman.
Presenting the award is Mr. Noel Suna, Brandon Aquino, and Marco Lacson.
Simbot na laran 18 pang kandidata king Coronation Night, ang merapat king Pampanga Agricultural State University anyang Lunes, August 19. Ikwa ng Mangiliman deng lubdaren judge ang pangmanalbeking kayang winning answer kang Q&A portion na ning kompetisyon. King kutang nung makasadya ng magalang para king cityhood, maniwala ya ka ng Mangiliman na agyunan ning kayang balen ang maging syudad.
From the picturesque landscapes to the people, the culture, and the activities such as festivities that we have, I believe that Magalang is a true gem, a gem worth remembering, a gem worth discovering. And I believe that despite being surrounded by many Kapampangan cities, I believe that it is ready for cityhood. And as a Magalenya, I wish to drive this and to be of service, to bring this further and to amplify the progress of Magalang. Because I believe that a malagong Magalenya e tunay ang malugod king balena.
Menikwayang 100,000 peso cash prize, libreng accommodation at adwan ticket papuntang Boracay, aesthetic procedure ang mikialagang 100,000 pesos, libreng at lumbanuang 200 Mbps fiber internet connection, at 1-month free gym access. Menyambot naman ng timang Miss Makapsa at first runner-up Ilatifaha Raagas ng San Nicolas 1. Miss Balen Melakwan at second runner-up yay Kayla Marie Dizon ng San Francisco, kabang in Santa Cruz representative ay Rochelle Ann Ocampo, ing menyabot na third runner-up at Kamaru Festival Queen. Kayabe ang Miss Magalang pageant king pa magselebra ng Kamaru Festival. Kayabe Wilfred Ian Caceres, ako po yung kakaing Talasuyo, Arlene Salonga, at yung pusong Makabalen.